Good morning. Nothing like an awesome cup of tea. So, here I am again. Winter is upon us, and I want you to be ready for all the winter cooking that you're going to be doing. So I have a great layaway that I've put together for you, especially for your winter cooking. You know, as we head into the colder months, you start to crave what we call comfort foods, right? You go after macaroni and cheese and chicken tenders and some casseroles and stews and chilies. And you know, the products that you have make a huge difference in the outcome of your food. So if you have old, worn out, rusted, and just crappy cookware, it's probably why you're not enjoying cooking so much. So take an investment, get the products that you know that are going to work for you, and have a wonderful winter. So I have great recipes to share with you. Let me show you the package that I've put together. So this is our winter layaway package, and it's offered exclusively through me, Lindabradley, at myprincesshouse.com. And let me show you what's in it. Number one, we have our most popular item, which is the air fryer. This only came out a couple of months ago, and it has soared to the top. It's incredible. What I like about the air fryer, number one, is that it does not heat up your kitchen, so you can use it separately of your stove. I have made such delicious recipes in here. Baked potatoes in 40 minutes, potato skins. Bacon is the best. All the grease goes down to the bottom, and it doesn't cook in the grease, so it's much healthier for you, if you can call bacon healthy. Most of the kids love chicken nuggets, right? So make them healthy. Go buy organic chicken. I have a great recipe for you. You can make them in the air fryer. And speaking of that, get your kids involved when you cook. You know, we're all doing virtual school now. Cooking is a great school project because it teaches mathematics, right? Measuring, science, problem solving, and it's a proven fact that when your kids help you cook, they're more likely to eat the product. So even get them to pick out some recipes that they want to try and make it a family affair. Those memories will last forever. So what I do when I make up my chicken tenders is I make a whole bunch at a time. I can usually fit 8 in the basket, and I'll make up 3 batches and then freeze them. So then on those nights where you're just busy and you don't have time, you can just pull them out of the freezer and heat them up in the air fryer, and they're great for the kids. Our air fryer has a non-stick basket, which makes it so easy to clean. And speaking of that, the basket is dishwasher safe. So number one item in my layaway is our Princess House Vitasonic air fryer. Now I have to tell you that this is, I already told you, the most popular item, and because of that, this item specifically could take up to 10 weeks to ship to you. So you might have to wait a little bit longer for it, but it's worth the wait, all right? Next up, we have some products to help you prep your foods, and these are the cutting boards. So these are made of bamboo. It's the best surface because it's impervious to bacteria. You'll notice that they have silicone on the sides, and that's so that when you put them down on the counter, they do not slip. They're color coded, they match the knives, so that this way your chicken never touches your vegetables. So we have the blue for the meat and the green for the vegetables. And then we have 3 different knives also in this collection. You'll notice that the knives are dark, and that's because they're non-stick. So especially when you cut things like cheese or tomatoes, it doesn't stick to it. They all come with the sheaths. If you do have a knife block, you can obviously use that as well. So here's the blue knife, and that is for your meats. Here's the green knife, and this one is more like a santoku. This is for your fruits and vegetables. And then last but not least, we have the 3rd knife. This is the orange one, and this is serrated. So this is good for cheese or sandwiches. So this is another part, I don't have my glasses on, I can't see to put this in. This is another part of your prep work. And then I have the best cookware that you can use. And again, when you buy quality products, it makes a huge difference. You can trust and count on Princess House. Our company has been in business since 1963. We bring you valued products that last the test of time. Everything comes with full warranties, so you know that you're going to love these products. Let me tell you what's so special about this package that I've put together for you. So these are called our Healthy Essential Cookwares, and the company made them especially for you. So here's the thing, a couple of things about them. Not sure if you can see inside, but there's little circles inside. One is for a teaspoon and one is for a tablespoon. So that's when you have to pour your oil into a pan. The reason that they're called Healthy Essentials is because 1 teaspoon of oil is 120 calories. So don't waste your calories in oil. put it in your foods. So this way you can use your little guides, pour your oil in, and it saves you time because you don't have to use another little measuring tool that you're going to have to wash, all right? One less thing to worry about. Also up the sides, and again, don't know if you can see it, but there's measurements up the sides so that you can see how much you're putting in. These pieces all have silicone on them to make them really comfortable for you. They are not non-stick, but you'll see how shiny they are. They have a quick release feature so that you can get your foods out really easily. You know, the biggest problem with sticking is people are impatient, and especially the men. Sorry guys, I usually joke and say that the men know 2 volumes of heat, off and high. Sorry. So what you need to do is cook low and slow. Just cook on low to medium. You never have to put pans on high. That's why you have problems with sticking, okay? So put them on low or medium. So this is an 8.5 inch, and you'll see that it's a nice size, right? It's nice and deep. This is good for your breakfast foods because it's 8.5 inch. All of our lids, by the way, do have our beautiful Princess Heritage pattern on them, and you'll see, I don't know if you can see, but there is a slow release steam seal. So if you're cooking something that needs to simmer, it'll just slowly release that steam. So this is the 8.5 inch pan. The next size up that you're going to need for your dinners is the 10 inch. So it's made the exact same way. These are all tri-ply, so stainless steel, aluminum, stainless steel. They go right up the sides, and this is the 10 inch size. So it's for your larger meals, and again, you'll see that it is nice and deep. And then as we go into our fall season, you're going to need some bigger pans. So these are more of the stockpot size. So this size is I think it's 4 quart. This is a 4 quart, also 10 inch. And again, this one's a little bit easier to see, I think. Up the sides, it has the measurements: 1 quart, 2 quart, 3 quart, 4 quart. And then, so this is good for your smaller stews. And then there's the larger one, and this is, I think, 6 quarts. Yep, 6 quarts. So this is good for your soups and stews, things like that. So this is a really great set. And oh, did I tell you, the lids are interchangeable, and they all stack. So the advantage now is that you can use whatever lid you want. Use a lid. I put this one upside down and then this one on top. Saves you 35% room in your kitchen, right? Isn't that awesome? Especially if you have smaller kitchens. Now listen, if you don't need the really big pans, because what I have here for you, I have the 8 inch that I know you need, and I have the 10 inch that I know you need. These are both the skillets. But as far as these pans are concerned, if you would like smaller sizes, I can change them up. So this is a 4 quart and this is a 6 quart. But if you would like smaller sizes, I can give you a 1.75 quart and a 3.5 quart. It's your decision. And here's the deal. This layaway offer saves you almost 50%. So this is a 10-week layaway, and your payments are just $52 a week. That includes shipping, that includes tax. It comes delivered right to you. Now, you can pay it however you want. You can do it every week if you want, every other week, once a month. It's your decision how you make the layaway payments. Just contact me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll help you with that. If you want to pay it in full, you can pay it in full. There's no reason that you can't. It's your decision. So the items ship once they are paid in full. I just want to let you know that. And remember what I said earlier. You'll get the set, but the air fryer might take a little bit longer, all right? So this is my winter layaway. I hope that you like it. Please get in touch with me. I'm happy to help you with your order and make sure that you get the products that you need to help you have a healthy winter. The best thing that you can do for your body is build up your immune system. Cook good, real foods, cook them with your kids, enjoy the process, and just enjoy life. All right, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. See you next time.